guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this very simple but gorgeous, like elegant look. I love it because you can wear anything with this and it's so easy to do. So if you're a beginner, I hope this video helps you. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give me a big thumbs up, please, if you like this look. And now let's get started. So the first thing you want to add is primer for your eyeshadows, and I like to use the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. I'm going to apply it and blend it out with my finger. As you can see, I already cleaned the bottom of my eyebrows and I used the same concealer, and I like to use a concealer because it makes my eyelids look even, and I like how it just covers up the darkness of my eyelid and like the little veins, and your eyeshadows stay for a long time. And I'm not going to set the concealer. I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using this palette from Profusion Paradise, and I'm going to grab this brown eyeshadow with the BH Cosmetics brush. You can also use your bronzer or your contour. It will work and look just as fine. And I'm going to apply this in tapping motions because I didn't set my concealer, so applying it in tapping motions will apply a lot better than swiping it on your crease. And I'm just applying this on my crease, and once it's time to blend it out, I'm going to be using the same brush, and I'm just going to make sure I don't have a lot of the product on the brush. You don't want a lot when you're blending it out, just whatever's left on the brush, or you can also use a clean brush. And it helps me a lot if I stretch my eyelids. I just lift up my eyebrow and then close my eye a little bit. That if I notice a big difference, it just makes it easier for me because you can see exactly where you have to blend it out more, and it blends out a lot easier and faster. So I don't know, you can give that a try. Maybe it will help you too, especially if you're using dark eyeshadows. But this one's obviously a light brown, so it's going to be a lot faster to blend out. And I'm also going to apply this eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm just going to use a smaller brush, and you want to use a smaller brush just because you don't want your eyeshadow to blend out too low, unless you like that, I don't know, but I like to keep it just right under my lower lash line. And then don't forget to connect it with the eyeshadow on the top, right on the outer corner. Then I'm going to grab the same Covergirl concealer with my finger and apply that on my eyelid. I'm going to apply it first on the very center of my eyelid and then the rest of my eyelid, and I'm doing this in tapping motions. And once it's all on my eyelid, I'm going to start blending it out because it does have to look nice and blended for your eyeshadow that you put on top of that to look nice and blended. And to do that, I make sure I don't have a lot of the product on my finger, and then on the edge of the concealer that's right on my crease, I just do it in like tapping motions, kind of doing it downward very lightly, and then work my way up towards like above my crease. And right here, it also helps a lot to stretch my eyelids, that way the concealer can blend out a lot easier and faster. Once it's nice and blended out, I'm going to grab from the same palette this gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow with my finger. I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer. The reason why I applied the concealer is so it can stay on all night or all day, and that way the eyeshadow will stand out and the shimmer will pop a lot more, and it makes the eyeshadow look so much better. And of course, you can also use a flat brush to apply the concealer and the shimmery eyeshadow. And to add a little more shimmer to my eyes, I'm going to grab this liquid fairy lights from Pixi. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and then grab from there with my finger and apply it in tapping motions on my eyelid on top of the shimmery eyeshadow I just applied. And the reason why I didn't apply directly with the applicator is because I don't want a lot, and if I do that, it's just gonna pretty much cover the shimmery eyeshadow I applied. And this eye look, like the tones, you can wear like anything, any color of dress or shirt or whatever you're gonna wear, and it's gonna look so good. That's why I wanted to do this one, because it's so easy to do, and it'll match with literally anything. Then I'm gonna grab this highlighter from Covergirl Trublend Super Stunner with the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm going to apply this right on the arch of my eyebrow so the brow bone can like stand out, and this just give it a little extra glow. And then also on the inner corner of my eye, and you don't want to blend it out too low from your eyebrow or your brow bone, because especially if you have hooded eyes, because this is to make your brow bone stand out. So if you apply it too low or blend it out too low, then it's gonna make your hooded eye look a lot bigger. Then I'm gonna grab my liquid eyeliner from Covergirl, and I'm gonna do a very thin eyeliner, and I'm on the very inner part of my eyelid. I'm gonna try to do it as thin as I can because I don't have a lot of eyelids, so if I do it thick and cover up my eyelid, my eyes are gonna look smaller, and I don't want that. So that part is going to be thin, and then going towards the outer part of my eyelid is going to be a bit thicker. And for the wing part, I kind of continue, like extend it a little bit, starting on the top of the eyeliner and then connect it on the bottom. I don't know if I'm explaining myself good, but you'll see what I mean. And then I just fill it in, and I'm just going to do a very thin and simple liner. Now, if you don't have time or you don't want to apply fake eyelashes, you can just curl your lashes and apply mascara, and the look will look complete. It will look so nice, but I do want to apply fake eyelashes, and these are not drugstore or affordable. I mean, the price isn't that bad for being a high-end brand. These are 12 bucks. They look pretty long, but since they're like thin, it doesn't look dramatic at all. It looks so nice and simple. Then I'm gonna grab my Pixi Eye Bright liner in the shade Nude, and this will help to pretty much like open up my eyes, make them look a little bit brighter and not small. And last but not least, I'm gonna grab my Pixi Large Lash mascara and put some on my lower lashes. And with this, it completes the whole look, and it looks so nice. And like I said, you can wear any color of clothes or any lipstick and it would look so nice. And I hope it was easy for you to follow if you want to recreate it, and let me know in the comments below what you think. And please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you want me to do, especially since New Year's is almost here. What do you guys want me to create, like with fake eyelashes or no eyelashes, or a more dramatic eye look? Let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to film that. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!